I've always been a space buff. My dad told me when I asked him, were there other people maybe that look like me on other planets? He said, God is not limited. I would imagine so. Well, so I always believed my dad. I still believe him.
Nichelle Nichols is the woman who boldly went where no man or woman had gone before. Lieutenant Uhura, the world's first interstellar operator. Nichelle Nichols, a pleasure to make your acquaintance. Welcome to the Bob Rivers Show. Hi.
Thank you, Bob. It's a pleasure to be here with you. All hailing frequencies are
All
now
hailing
open.
frequencies are open. That's good. Uhura, for people of color, you pioneered inclusion in the main cast of a TV show to some extent. Is it true that you were going to quit and Martin Luther King asked you not to? Is that what you were going to talk about?
Yes, that did happen, and he was very upset about that. When I told him I was leaving the show, he was aghast. He said, "You cannot do that. A door has been opened, and you have helped to change the face of television forever. If you leave, that door can be closed, and who knows when." Again, you have to remember, Bob, this was in the 60s.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, and we were still battling to sit at a food counter at a restaurant or get a hotel room and accommodations. So we've come a long way.
We sat down and we watched Star Trek, and there were these hidden messages in there that they would take a race of people who looked different and had different customs.
Right.
And by the end of the show, they would wrap it up so that you would understand them and respect them. And they, they didn't say that they were gay. They just made it up.
They were different.
They made it different, but you could.
Their concepts of life was different from ours.
Even at that age, though, I was substituting other actual real people in those roles and trying to imagine how that. You still believe there's aliens?
Sure.
Yeah, absolutely.
I don't call them aliens. I just say other life form, other intelligent life form. I hope they're a hell of a lot more intelligent than we are.
If they beam you up, would you like that to be a cool last part of your life, to go up and actually go travel with them?
Oh, gosh, yes.
Yeah, I would too.
The question I've been dying to ask you is, what is Lieutenant Uhura's current cell phone plan? Who do you use for the wireless?
I will keep that to myself.
Until somebody
pays her.
Yeah. I buy whatever you're the guy.
Because you should be endorsing one of those guys.
I certainly am. Even now, they're discussing something.
That's wonderful.
Pleasure speaking with you. Live long, prosper.
Oh, indeed.
Nichelle Nichols, thanks.
I thank you. Thank you for having me.